So there's been some changes that you're going to run into when you work through the Spatial Analyst module and the first set of exercises. At step 6, you're asked to access the Spatial Analyst tools in a different way. Instead of using the toolbox, they want you to use the command line. Well, the command line is no longer available, and even though the documentation says the code is just the same, it's not. So it's been replaced by the Python window, and you open that through here. And the first thing you want to do is import Arcpy. And you see I have a nice little interactive tool. Arcpy is a list of, or is a set of scripts and little programs that have been written for ArcGIS. And then I hit the return key. And from Arcpy, you want to import the environment function. So you see I kind of keep going, I keep getting prompts. Then from Arcpy, if R-O-M, actually it lets me do that. From Arcpy dot Spatial Analyst, you want to import, and this is a wildcard, you want to import all the tools, or all of the toolboxes that are in Spatial Analyst, so you have availability for them. And then the next thing you need to do is to set your environment workspace. So that is env dot workspace, and again I've gotten prompted. And then you have to set your path where your workspace is. Now you can do this, I have my Arc catalog open, and if I right click into the tools or into the location menu and copy that and paste that, I get the whole location. Now what I need to do though is to set these in parentheses and in quotes, and that's because this is a string of information. So I've set my location for the workspace, and then I'm going to type in the name of the out file. So it's going to be output for slope is equal to, and then here's the program that I'm calling, slope, yep, S-L-O-P-E, and then I put a parentheses because there's 3 parameters that I need to enter. I need to enter what is the DEM that I'm using to create slope, and it sees that I have in my program, I have elevation available, so I want to create slope based on the elevation file. I put in a comma, and then I want to type for step 6, I want the slope calculated in degrees. For step 7, you'll do this again, but you want to calculate in percent rise. So I'm going to double click degrees, and then it's looking for the Z factor, and the Z factor